Deciphering, the bottom line, an idiomatic voyage in professional communication. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a very common idiomatic expression in professional communication, the bottom line. As we dive into this topic, you'll learn how to use it correctly and effectively in your professional conversations. So, let's get started. The idiomatic expression, the bottom line, is extensively used in business and professional scenarios. It originates from the world of finance, where the bottom line on a financial statement represents the net income, or the final result after all calculations are done. In a broader context, it's used to refer to the most important fact or the core issue of a matter. For example, in a meeting, someone might say, "The bottom line is, we need to increase our sales to continue to be profitable." Here, the speaker is emphasizing the key point or main issue that needs to be addressed. The phrase, "the bottom line," can be used in different professional contexts. 1. To make a point clear and concise. For instance, you might say, "The bottom line is, we must finish the project by the end of this month." 2. To conclude a discussion. After a long conversation or meeting, someone might say, "So, the bottom line is that we're targeting to launch the product by next quarter." 3. To stress the final decision or result. If someone asks about the outcome of a long debate or process, one might answer, "The bottom line is, they decided to go ahead with the merger." While the bottom line is a useful idiom, there are also some common mistakes and misunderstandings associated with it. Remember, it's not used to introduce a point but to conclude or emphasize one. So, using it incorrectly could lead to confusion or miscommunication. For example, don't use it like, "The bottom line is that, let me explain the new marketing strategy." Here, the speaker incorrectly uses the phrase to introduce a new topic instead of summarizing or emphasizing a point. That's a wrap on our discussion about the idiomatic expression, the bottom line. It's a powerful tool to emphasize the core point or the final decision in professional communication. Just remember to use it correctly to highlight the main issue or the conclusion of a discussion. I hope this video has been helpful for you in understanding and using this common idiom. Stay tuned for more videos about idiomatic expressions in academic and professional contexts. Happy learning!